So guys, check this out. This is the brand new, all new Toyota RAV4. I've come to an exclusive preview event here in Brussels where Toyota is actually introducing several new models, and I managed to sneak some time with the all new RAV4. Now the RAV4, actually, this is going to be the 6th generation. This is the global debut, by the way. You know, this thing has been around since 1994. It has grown a bit in size, got to be honest, and they have sold 15 million of these over 180 countries. In Europe alone, they've sold 2.5 million. With this one, the main focus of it is enhanced efficiency, digital experience, safety tech, but also it's got a plug-in hybrid. Now the plug-in hybrids are the ones that we're going to get in the UK, and the plug-in hybrid has got a version that has over 300 brake horsepower. I'll give you a bit more details about it. 300 horsepower in a Toyota RAV4. I'll give you more details right after this.
A brown car guy. Brown car guy.
So you can see that it's got quite a style upgrade on this thing, and actually this one is the GR Sport. So this one gets a different grille on it, and in fact, let me just tell you about the grille on this one. This has got a functional matrix G-mesh grille with the GR styling. The other thing I should tell you about the GR Sport version, which is this one, it's actually 20 millimeters wider track. So it's 20 millimeters wider track on this car, and plus retuned suspension for sportier handling, high performance dampers. It has strengthened rear bracing, retuned springs, and power steering has also been tuned as well for a more sportier feel. Check these out. These are 20-inch lightweight black alloy wheels. Of course, this car is inspired by Gazoo racing, and there's some more features that relate to Gazoo racing inside the car. We'll take a look at that in a minute. I should also tell you that actually it is, despite the redesign, a similar size to the outgoing model. And of course, you know, you will recognize the silhouette. It's clearly still a RAV4, but it does get a redesigned cabin as well. One of the things I really like, the slimming effect that they've got here, I think is really nice. You can't make it out so much on this red car, but there was another silver car or gold car we saw earlier, but this line goes up like that and it splits that way, so it actually kind of pinches the side and actually makes it even trimmer. Really, really nice design. Now, to give you some ideas about the powertrain, like I said, we are getting the plug-in hybrid in the UK, not the regular hybrid, although there is a regular hybrid. Those come in two flavors. Front-wheel drive has 181 brake horsepower, all-wheel drive has 188 brake horsepower, but no, we are getting the more powerful ones. So the front-wheel drive hybrid, plug-in hybrid, I should say, is 264 brake horsepower, but the all-wheel drive, intelligent all-wheel drive, so AWDI, has 300 plus brake horsepower. 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds. Can you believe it? This is proper hot hatch territory now. It will do 62 miles on electric only. So that's enough for most people's daily use, honestly. 62 miles, that's incredible. 22.68 kilowatt hour battery, 30% larger than before. Fast charging, so 50 kilowatt charger, 10 to 80% in 30 minutes. Hope you're enjoying this video. Make sure to hit like, share, and subscribe if you're not already doing so. And support independent automotive journalism channels like mine. You can do that at patreon.com, coffee.com, or taking out a subscription right here on YouTube. Or you know what, better still, you can go and buy my books. I've got 3 books out now. They're all on Amazon. They're all available to buy. More details on this are in the description, but buying any of these books will certainly help. Thanks so much for watching. So let's get into the back of this thing just to give you an idea of the space. And oh my God, it actually has, I know it's a bit dark, but can you see? It's actually got tons of room over here. No problem at all. Look at this. Look, I'm reclined in the back of this thing. This is really very, very spacious. It's got this two-tone sort of synthetic leather and this sort of suede look finish. I think that's particular to the GR Sport. This kind of, and also, let me turn you back around again, and I can show you the trim on here. It's got armrests with the cup holders in it. This is the trim I was talking about, if you can just about make that out. I know it's a bit dark. You got USB-C plugs here, air vents down here, but look at the front of the car, really nice. And then these red accents, this is the Gazoo racing trim that I mentioned, also a bit of a sunroof there as well. Let's get in the front. It's got a ton of new equipment now. It's got this massive screen. We've got front cross traffic alert, rear vehicle approach indicator, blind spot monitor, lane change assist, upgraded pre-collision, secondary collision braking. It's got 360 camera, So that's all the things. It's also for this one, it's got console knee pads. Can't really make them out for the GR racing. Plus it's got sports seats and GR logos. So you can see the sports seats, the logos. So look at the screen, it's got an all new Toyota multimedia system, 12.9 inch home screen, 12.3 inch instrument panel there, voice assistant, My Toyota app. It's got a ton of features, lots of things. Now around here we've got trail snow. This is the drive mode here, drive mode there. I like this kind of, you know, Tonka toy kind of design that we've got here, which, you know, is quite rugged, but at the same time quite likable and usable as well. So again, the car is not on, it's on the display only. This is the global debut. You got the controls here and here. The gear lever is here, cup holders. This is, I think, wireless charging up here. There's a tray down there. There's your surround view and your USB as well there. And then over here, I can show you, this opens up and then you've got quite a deep and useful cubby box. Over here you have glove box. You've got another tray there. And then you've got quite a pretty cool looking steering wheel there as well. So there you go, there's a chance to have a quick look at the all-new brand new Toyota RAV4. Hugely important car for Toyota, big seller globally, everywhere, but also very popular, and also very popular for a number of reasons. For urban families, well, people that like to go adventuring, but people that just like to do the school run. So many purposes, so many features, they've just made one of the best cars in that D segment even better. We'll hope to bring you a review of this car very, very soon. Stay tuned. Make sure that you hit like, share, and subscribe on your way out. Catch you all in the next video. Shout out time, guys. Thank you so much. Hey, if you enjoy my content, why not get involved? Buy me a coffee. You can do that at either of these links. Or if you're watching on YouTube, buy me a thanks or take out a membership. It all helps. It really does.